I started with my pump and dump campaign, which brought me to $2.6K with a $400 investment or less. When I started making my first videos here on this channel, I've said something like this. I'm not wealthy or rich, but I'm gonna start my journey to obtain financial freedom and you could come along with me. I started this simple technique by investing $400, which I made from previous investments of 20 to 30 bucks in different coins. I ended up having $2,600 or so in almost 2 months.
Not great or terrible.
Personally, for me this was a great way of making quick cash. So if you're lurking around this video trying to make some money, don't forget to hit the like button and maybe even subscribe to my little channel. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. But I started doing something for myself, even if it meant investing in the crypto market while trying to find a source for passive income. I mean, if it works, then it works. And if it doesn't, I'm okay with that. But I'd be a fool not to do everything in my power to give myself an answer on how to make money online, because that's when regret kicks in and it's pretty painful. What I'm about to show you is not a 100% foolproof method to make money online with crypto investing, but it's a way. If you look at it from afar, you could see that this is kind of a continual pump and dump, which can make you healthy profits if you keep it in a loop of constantly cashing out and reinvesting the whole sum, the whole resulted sum, thus making it look like interest capitalization. So let me take you step by step into this quick tutorial on how to make money online, or some kind of a quick cash idea in a somewhat crypto investing passive income online. You'll see what I mean. First of all, start by making an account on Binance. You just have to click on the referral link which is under the video in the description box and you'll receive some cute benefits and bonuses when buying cryptocurrency. Put a very strong password to your account because safety is a must when dealing with money, and use that specific password only on your Binance account. Take your sweet time and test how to put money on your account, order your Binance card, and check the app's functionalities. After that, you should buy some stable coins like I did. At the beginning, I used Tether USDT, but now I'm using Binance's own stablecoin, BUSD. After some consistent searching for a coin which hasn't got too much ups and downs, I've came across with ORN, the Orion Protocol coin. It felt like it was one of the good coins to invest in because it had a mild fluctuation between $7 and $8.9. That's a pretty decent margin if you want to make quick profits. So I started with my pump and dump campaign, which brought me to $2.6K with a $400 investment or less. If you're on a phone like me, move the app on the Pro because ORN can be traded on the Binance's Lite version of the app. Check for its daily value on cryptographs such as CoinGecko, and when ORN is under or at least $8, hit the trade button at spot. Search for ORN BUSD, click on it and then make your first order on the buy option. It's simple. Afterwards, you'll click on the sell option and here's where you have to pay close attention. For starters, don't be greedy and put a small margin profit on your ORN coins. For example, if you buy 50 coins with a margin of $0.7 profit, then you'll get $35.
3.6. Not great or terrible.
So when hitting the sell option, you should choose at the selling price a limit of $8.7 if you bought the coins at $8. That's if you want to sell them fast-ish. After taking the profits, reinvest all of the resulted sum of approximately $435 by doing the same thing. That's how you'll get to healthy profits in a decent amount of time. Also, keep in mind that there are a lot of exceptions. Last month I've been in the purgatory of crypto investing for about 15 days. My last trade of about $1,000 wasn't getting to that amount of margin profit which I intended to get. That's why I had to wait and wait and wait until it got sold at the right price. The moral of the story here is that patience is key when investing in anything. When it comes to stocks, crypto, anything you can dream of, be patient. Oh, and if you're whining about the lack of money to invest, then feel free to check my other videos on how to invest, how to save money, or other lame financial advice that really works. Thanks for watching and see you soon!